big ass fire. Holy. This thing is massive. It's literally making my, because it's covering the sun, so it's making my car look orange. Honestly, low key, some pictures would be kind of tight right now. I'm not gonna lie. Some pictures in the fire. Woo! Can't be mad about that. Oh, we're about to go install some Christmas lights on my car. Oh, it smells like ass. We're gonna go install some Christmas lights on the car. Last year, I actually wrapped my BMW in Christmas wrapping. I tried to though, at least. I tried a lot of my fenders, my hood, and some other parts. I couldn't finish, so it took way too long. So this year, I just bought lights. They're in the back, and we're gonna wrap them around my car and see what happens.
JR building friends, Dino Fires.
JR, get to fucking work, dog.
Yes, daddy. Look, this is how the lights are coming out. Looks kind of sharp.
Hurry up, pussy.
Oh, fuck.
Those videos be fire now, dog.
Those fit. Hell no.
Like, dick just tastes like skin, so it's like you're sucking on someone's like finger, you know?
I'm the fender lane.
What the fuck? Dog, I was recording.
Oh, you were?
Nah, that's crazy. What time is it?
7:38.
Is it actually 7?
Nah, it's 5.
Oh.
5:38, dog. It's been
It
fucking.
only took us an hour. We got here at 4. It's 5:38. An hour and a half. Go for it. Yeah. Actually looks fire. Yeah. Okay, what are you gonna do about it?
I'll suck the brown off your dick.
Nah, that is crazy, man.
Oh my god, I one time.
That's a fucking GTA NPC shit, dog.
Thank you.
I like the car.
Thank you.
Me too. Pussy.
Pussy.
You're gay, you have to be 6.
Get the fuck on. Huh?
Can you rev it?
Hey, this car's kind of gay, huh? It's kind of gay?
My brother's Mustang's way louder.
Exactly.
It should be there too.
Bro, shut up before I suck your dick sideways.
Bro, I'll suck the brown off of you.
That is actually crazy, bro. I got it. Shit is kind of.
How's that? Camden, not your car, bro.
I need to this.
Tesla will get a cam before you fucking get a cam.
Hey. Full carbon wheel?
I know, I was leaving it.
That shit's tough.
This looks a lot like the GT2.
Yeah, it does.
What's the difference? I don't even know what the fuck the difference is. God, why do you guys have 2 cameras pointing at me, bro? What the fuck? What rado?
Taxi? It's like taxi?
Where?
Here.
Go on the back or what?
I'm looking kind of down. Let's fuck with the suspension, bro.
Turbo Z?
Yeah, that's not it.
Turbo.
Then get fat ass turbo. I smell elote. It's like a fucking tractor, bro. Holy shit. He's gonna start farming right now. God damn. That shit is fucking valid, bro. Oh, that shit is valid. is going on?
You got shot,
Bro,
man.
bro, my ears are ringing, bro. My ears are gone.
Bro, that shit literally popped right in front of you, dog.
God, I can't hear shit, bro.
Fuck, that shit was stupid.
I can't hear, bro. Oh, he's about to go. He's about to go. He's about to go. Oh, yo. Hey, there's a cop. 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 There's a cop.
He's about to hit a U-turn.
Oh.
Everyone has 5 minutes to leave the area. Anyone that refuses to leave the area will be cited. The vehicle will be impounded. Everyone needs to leave the area. You have 5 minutes. If you refuse to leave the area, your vehicle will be impounded and you will be cited.